Good morning, Don Pedro School, and welcome to DP Live. I have Miss Gloria joining us as always, and we have our leadership student with his faithful companion. Look at that cute puppy. Loving that puppy. So cute. How are you guys doing?
Doing good.
Doing good. How are you, leadership student? How's Zoom going?
I've been really good with my dog.
Really good. Really good. Miss Gloria and I were telling you before, we love that picture in the background. Love it.
Beautiful color.
Whoever designed that and made that for you, they are very talented. I love it. Okay, let's get right into our DP Live presentation. Here we go. And we're going to share the screen, and there we go. The Pledge of Allegiance. If everybody could please stand and right hand over your heart. Ready, salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, just some quick reminders. I just wanted to say welcome back from Ski Week. I hope you all had a wonderful break. I'm so excited to see everybody. I haven't seen my Monday, Thursday kids, so I'm so excited to see you all today. And we already got to see our Tuesday, Friday kids on Tuesday. It was great to see your faces. Please don't forget that everybody should be Zooming on your non-in-person. That means your non-face-to-face days. So if you are a Monday, Thursday, you should be on Zoom Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you are a Tuesday, Friday kiddo, you should be on Zoom Monday, Thursday, and Wednesday. So also don't forget on Fridays, wear blue and you guys can get extra hero points. All right, Miss Gloria, you're up.
Empathy, friends. We'll touch base again on next week. Empathy, or the week before. Empathy is very important. And I have added these two pictures. So I think I myself, we've often seen during at least recess times, friends that are just hanging out by themselves or probably having a rough day. That's empathy. Coming up to somebody. I know it, and it's courageous too, because I know you can get a little nervous, like, oh, I'm approaching a new person, right? But the right thing to do, empathy, is showing empathy and like, hey, checking in. Are you okay? Do you need help? Or perhaps go get an adult. If you see us out there, hey, Miss Gloria, somebody over there looks kind of sad, or I don't know, looks like they need help. And there's that picture right there of those friends, that friend reaching out to that friend. So that's what empathy is. And I just want to put that out there to you guys, especially when it comes to friendships, because I know that we're not friends with everyone, but the right thing to do is even those that you may not know, who they come to school, right? You see them, but you don't hang out with them. But if they're having a rough day or they look like they need help, use empathy. Reach out, friends.
I love that. I love that. Also, friends, with the break, new students have arrived. So, it's always nice to reach out and introduce yourselves and ask them to join in whatever you're doing out on the playground, just to make them feel at home. Again, like Miss Gloria said, doesn't mean you have to be friends, but it's always great to show kindness and to be there to understand what their day looks like, because they're new as well. And that's kind of scary to come to a new place. Okay, moving on. Joke of the day. Do we have a joke?
Yes, I got one for one of my friends that posted last week.
This is a good joke.
Yes. What do you call a train carrying bubble gum?
What?
Choo-choo train.
Choo-choo train. Nice job.
I love it.
I saw that joke come through on our Google Classroom, and I was so impressed. I'm like, oh, I hope Miss Gloria picks that one. There were so many great jokes this time, and so many of you got onto our Mighty Classroom, and you guys put in the code, which is right there. And you guys also earned hero points for that, just so you know. So you too can earn extra hero points by getting onto your Google Classroom, Mighty Dolphins, and putting in this code that you see right now, and that can get you hero points for submitting an appropriate joke. It's super easy and it's really great. There are some great jokes. One of our teachers comments a lot, and let me tell you, she has some funny jokes. Okay, birthdays. Let's get into those. If you had a birthday this past week, that'd be February 15th to the 21st. We're going to celebrate you.
Planet Fitness presents Fit Facts. Only 23% of people get the exercise they should. Planet.
BMO, Noah E, Leonardo G, Carlos B, Adan S, Miranda P, Cesar D, Madeline A, Bonnie A, and Gabriela N. Happy birthday to you guys.
Happy birthday, friends. I hope you have a wonderful day this last week. And if you haven't celebrated yet, I hope you have a wonderful birthday. Okay, like I always say, we're doing a lot of sitting. We're actually only at school face-to-face 2 days a week. The rest of it, we are home still Zooming. So we have got to get up and get moving. So here we go. I don't even remember what song it was, but I just know it was an upbeat song. Here we go. All right, friends. So I really hope all of you still continue to dance with your class and get that exercise in. Okay, friends, that is going to be the end of the share. I so appreciate everybody being on DP Live. I absolutely love your puppy. How are we going to end this? What are y'all going to do today?
Fly high with Dolphin Pride.
That's right. Fly high with Dolphin Pride. Bye, friends.
Friends.